Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to talk about Ethereum Classic and do a technical analysis and a price prediction and pick up where we left off in the previous technical analysis and price prediction of Ethereum Classic. So just continuing this series here. Now, what is going on is that things are moving along very nicely, actually. We're currently within those top Fibonacci retracement levels right now. So everything is just going to plan. We're within a bullish impulse wave right now. So hopefully as we continue this, we're going to be seeing Ethereum Classic fall really nicely within that neutral price prediction, which is also considered a bullish price prediction. And hopefully maybe we'll even see Ethereum Classic fall within that bullish price prediction. And or who knows, we could possibly even be going a bit higher than that as we do complete out the rest of this month. So things are looking nice right now at this moment. And I think that as we do finish out this month, that we might be able to see Ethereum Classic reaching either that bullish prediction or more if things go very well with the Ethereum merge. So a lot of things to really go over here. We'll get into some news as well. So as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now, let's get to it. Now, things are going amazing with Ethereum Classic. Over these last 7 days, according to CoinMarketCap, it's up more than 21.5%. It's up more than 2% over these last 24 hours. It's the 18th largest cryptocurrency by market cap and moving up those ranks right now. So a lot of good things going on with Ethereum Classic. Now, I'm a tad bit behind on my Ethereum Classic news, and that is if you've been following, my son was just born, healthy, he's with mom, and things are going good there. So just now getting back into this routine. Now, as far as the news with Ethereum Classic, the second largest mining pool terminates ETH mining, and they favor Ethereum Classic now. So that's one of the big things going on with Ethereum Classic as we're seeing, more and more of the miners for Ethereum, they're now jumping into Ethereum Classic. This is the part about Ethereum Classic that I'm very bullish on, and I see a lot of potential here with this reason. Now, for the people that are not following along, I'm using the Fibonacci retracement from that point where we had seen that low with Ethereum Classic on July 12th, and that was when we had seen the price of Ethereum Classic at around $12.50 at that time, and then how we had seen it from that point in July, from mid-July into mid-August, climb all the way up to a little bit more than $45. So since then, since we did reach that peak there on that fifth wave within this bullish 5 waves that we had, the next 5 waves that we had, it did a retracement of about 50%, and that's what we're currently working on, is now retracing those losses that we just recently had and try to at least get back to where we were on our previous 5 waves when we had the bullish waves, and at least retraced that 5th wave, hopefully. And that's what it's looking like we're playing out right now, that we are retracing that. And hopefully what this is going to do is this is going to, of course, at least take us into this neutral price prediction. But I really hope that it's going to take us up even more and into that bullish price prediction. And I'll adjust these as time does go on, because I expect that as we do finish out the month of September, we'll probably see even more better performance with Ethereum Classic. Of course, I expect that we are going to be seeing a sell-off as the Ethereum merge is complete, and you have to expect that because, well, a lot of the momentum that we're seeing is with that priced in already. So keep that in mind. But I think that we're going to be seeing the price of Ethereum Classic, after a little bit of a correction, start to move again, because there is a lot of potential here with Ethereum Classic. With the reason is that they have the proof of work mechanism still going. So not just the fact that the miners from Ethereum are going to be getting in, but because there are some dApps that do need to work on proof of work, or they prefer to work them on proof of work over proof of stake. So to see some growth with Ethereum Classic due to some migration from Ethereum decentralized apps into Ethereum Classic is another big benefiting factor. So let's play around here real quick with Elliot Wave theory and see how these current 5 waves that we're working on right now, how these can play out into the Ethereum merge, and then we'll expect that there to be a corrective wave to come out after that. So we're not sure exactly where the 5th wave is going to be. So let's just try to assume that we would see that 5th wave possibly at least retrace that top Fibonacci level, go to that price of around $45, $46 or more from there. So let's go ahead and look into how this all could be looking. So let's go put our first wave in. We'll zoom in a tad bit here just so we can better see what we're doing. So we got our first wave in. All right. And then we got our second wave. We have our third wave, our fourth wave, and we're working on our 5th wave. This will take us into the Ethereum merge, hopefully, with a really nice price, hopefully a complete retracement from where we were at. So we'll just put it right here at this top Fibonacci level. Cross our fingers that this is going to be how it is going to play out, if not better than this. Now, from here, I expect, like I said, I would expect that after we complete this 5th wave, we'll get that corrective wave. Things will look a little bit bearish from there, but then I expect there to be some momentum again to carry on to possibly finish out the month of September or lead us into early October. And then hopefully from there, we'll see some October performance with Ethereum Classic and with Ethereum and the whole crypto market, hopefully. And hopefully we'll see some really nice momentum within the month of October. And that could be something that could really help us retrace those losses that we had seen at a much later time. So now here on the daily chart, hopefully everything works out to plan. Of course, anything could change, and none of this is any sort of financial advice. This is all just my own opinions, and I'm somebody that is invested into Ethereum Classic. So more so speaking to people that are also like-minded and also invested into Ethereum Classic and interested in hearing your opinions. Now, as far as how things are playing out, we are currently holding that resistance above $38. That is that Fibonacci level that we are above right now, and that represents about 25% from where we were at back in the middle of August when we did complete our 5th bullish wave at that time. So hopefully we can continue to retrace all that and everything keeps going to plan. But as I said, anything could change. But anyways, that being said, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions. I'd like to hear from the Ethereum Classic Army. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.